Anyway, here we will select the new installation. Of course, the license agreement. And it will start the support files. In the software package, you will find the software license agreement. It's the most important part of what you have. The software itself, you can download it anytime from skf.com. You can have as many backup copies of the DVD as you can. But the license, without the license, you will not be able to use the software. No, it's one license. You can have the installations on the software on as many machines as you want, as long as they are in the same location. Okay. So the license to be kept in a safe place. Here, all the installation of the server is straightforward. Just you will go in the installation next, because as we said that it's a SKF patch, which everything is defined. In the server configuration here, you need to select mixed authentication mode here, and you need to add the password. This password is the administrative password for SQL. This password is very important in the case of troubleshooting or making any maintenance for the application. Normally, we make the password SKF. If your computer here will accept 3 letters password, then the password here, the admin password for the SA account or the admin account of SQL server is SKF small letters. By the way, this is a default password for SKF softwares, is always SKF small letters. So returning back to the contents of the software package, you have the license agreement, as I said. I suggest to scan it and to have it in soft copy as well. You have here mousepad, and this is hotkeys. I mean, just fast guidelines. You can put, you can copy it and put it on the as many machines you have, just to guide the students. And here, you have 2 DVDs. One is with SKF Aptitude Analyst. This is the software DVD. And there is the additional DVD, which is the maintenance releases. Normally, this version is version 8. Okay? We have main version, means now it's the latest version is 8. And there is sub-versions, like maintenance release 1, 2, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. This is the maintenance release, which is available here in this DVD.
So this whole package is going for
Yeah, yeah. This is, you will install this first and then the maintenance release, which is upgrade. You will always get the upgrades of the maintenance releases free of charge at the first 180 days from the registration. Any new version, you will get it for free. After that, starting from version 9, you have to pay for upgrade. But the license will keep on working, everything will keep on working with you. So you have here these 2 DVDs. Upgrade is up to you. Upgrade is up to you. I mean, some plants, they are working for 3, 4, 5 years with the same version without problem. Other plants, they need to be always up to date with the new technologies, and they upgrade every year. So it's the same like your Windows. When you will upgrade to Windows 10, it's up to you. Yeah. Once there will be. We have to pay for the upgrading, right? Yeah, but it will keep on working as long as it works. It's same like Windows. In Windows, some people still working with Windows XP till the moment, right? They didn't upgrade. It will work. But there is no, I mean, there will be no support. Let's say after 3, 4, 5 years, we will announce that there will be no longer support for this version. So the system will keep on working with you, but in the case that you need support, we will not be able to provide you the necessary. So this is the software back. In the hardware back, you have the box here with the microlog. In this box, there is the instrument itself. Now first, open the box. There is a plastic bag inside. Bring the plastic bag out. Inside it, open it. Yeah, click on the bottom. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The first thing you will see is here the certificates. These certificates, certificate of compliance of CSA. CSA is a certificate of hazards area. It's Canadian standardization for the approval of the sensors for hazards area. And you will find inside here a spare screen protector. There is one already mounted on the screen, and this one is spare. Okay. In the certificates, certificate of compliance for the sensors. This is for each sensor. And you will find SKF sensor mounting guidelines, and you will find the calibration certificate of the accelerometers here. You will find the wiring drawing for the accelerometer. You will find a calibration certificate of the microlog itself, and the wiring diagram for the connectors, and the wiring diagram for microlog connections. And the declaration of conformity for the model. These documents to be kept in safe place, all the documents. Further to the documents, you will find a docking station here. You will find to the right side the docking station where you can dock the microlog on it this way. Of course, you need to remove the cover for the docking station. And it will dock here. Okay? In the docking station, you will find in the back of the docking station here power connection. If it's connected here through the power cord and the power cable, once you will dock your microlog, it will start charging. And you will find the other USB connectors that will allow you to connect or transfer the data once you connect the microlog on the docking station. Okay? You will find on the right-hand side the charger. In the charger, you will find several connectors that you can connect according to the plug you have. Okay? Okay. Oh, you have already started to connect it through the docking station. Charging? Just remove the cover. Remove the. You have removed the cover. Okay. It's showing a red indicator that it's charging. Maybe it's 110 voltage. Connected 110. Okay. By the way, the charger is working 110 or 220, but 220. Yes, will be faster. Charging. Yes, it wasn't docked properly. Now it's docked. Okay. Okay. Charging. Okay. No, just wait. So, no, we will just explore the contents and then we'll go further. Now the SQL server have been installed. We will close it. Okay. Okay. Now the database manager is installed in the software, returning back to the software installation. And then we will go to Skf Aptitude application installation. Skf Aptitude monitoring suite includes many modules. There is some modules for online condition monitoring systems, other modules for offline or portable data collectors like what we are using here. These first three modules, Aptitude Analyst, Aptitude Inspector, Aptitude Analyst Human Machine Interface is the modules for the portable data collector. Once we will click, it will start the installation. While it's doing the installation, we will explore the other contents. Here in the box, you will find 2 magnets for sensor mounting with a magnet cover. Here, this cover, it's a magnet. So this is just magnet cover to protect the magnet. You will find 2 magnet covers, 2 accelerometers here. These 2 accelerometers, each one you will find here, it's with a stud. So you can mount it using a stud. With the stud, you can mount it to the equipment using the stud, or you can mount the stud to the magnet like here. Then to use the magnet in the measurement. This is accelerometer. Yeah. This is accelerometer. Okay? This you have 2 accelerometers. We call these accelerometers general purpose accelerometers. 100, the sensitivity is 100 millivolt per G or per engineering unit. This is a general purpose accelerometer. As we said, SKF provide wide range of accelerometers. This is a standard which is most suitable for 90% of the applications. Here you will find in this box, in this bag, you will find a CD. This CD includes the firmware of the instrument, of the portable instrument, and the manuals and the catalogs of the microlog. Okay? In the second bag here, you will find the cables. You will find 1 cable for each accelerometer. Okay? Yeah, these 2 coiled cables, 1 for each accelerometer. These cables, you will find it 2-pin cable. One side is 2-pin to fit the accelerometer. Here, the accelerometer here is 2-pin. Okay? 2-pin. And you will find one side with the 2-pin of the cable here. Yes. Okay? This is the accelerometer side. And the other side, you will find it 6-pin to fit the microlog. In the microlog, you will find here channel 1, channel 2. These 2 channels, each channel come with 6-pin. So the 6-pin cable to connect the accelerometer to channel 1 or channel 2. Okay, in the back. Yes, this cover, actually, this. Yeah. This covers just to, yeah, this covers to protect the connectors from the dust. Actually, you will find 3 covers. 2 big and 1 small for the USB or the headphone connectors. Yeah, it's 6-pin. You have 2 6-pin and 1. Wait a moment. To connect the cable, you will find a red dot on the connector and the same red dot in the cable. Okay? Just to avoid any damage to the pins, align the two red dots together. See here? Once you will connect it here, Once you will connect it here to the channel 1, align the two red dots together, and put it. Don't twist. Don't twist. It has to be directed. The same way, when you dismount it, no twist. Just pull it out. So you will mount it directly without twisting, and you will remove it directly. Out. Just pull out from the metallic part. See? If you found it's hard to remove, then something is going wrong. Then you are holding the cable in the wrong way. This is because here we are expecting that hundreds of the students will deal with it, with the cables. You have to be very clear with them to align the red dots and just mount and listen to the click. Once to remove from the metallic part, remove it. No twist is required, no moving. Align the red dot to the red dot. And of course, to confirm that the cable is 6-pin, connected to the 6-pin, because there is other cables for 7-pin with 7-pin here for the power and the trigger. It's 7-pin.
This one?
With USB.
This one.
Yes, this one.
This one.
This one, yeah. This one is 7-pin. The one with 7-pin, the one with 7-pin cable, the one with the 7-pin cable is for the charger, okay? You will find a charging cable here. If you don't like to use the docking station, you can use this cable for the charging. You will find here, you can connect the charger here. It's two-way splitted cable. See, the cable is splitted. One port for the charger, and you have here, this is USB connection to connect it to the workstation or your computer. Okay? Then you have here the two-way connection cable. This cable, as you have seen, is 7-pin. This 7-pin cable, of course, the connection to channel 1, which is 6-pin only, will lead to damage the cable. So you have to be careful to look. It's 7-1. There is one pin inside. Again, align the same procedure. Align the red dot here. Aligning the red dot. And directly mount it. You will hear the click. Okay? Additional cable for USB connection, you will find it, which allows you to connect the docking station. Okay? Allows you to connect the docking station from the back. Move the docking station, back of the docking station. Okay? Here. This cable allows you to connect the docking station, the square USB, to USB to your computer. Okay? This is another way for the data communication.
Two-way to connect by computer?
Yes. You have either through the docking station. Yeah. For the educational applications like your application, it's recommended to use always the docking station, because with the docking station, you will avoid many connections for this cable. Yeah, so it's better to make once they put the micro log, it's connected to the computer without the need to put many cables every time, and you know you have many students. So it's recommended to put the docking station beside the computer and just to connect it. Furthermore, you will find the shoulder strap Here. Yes. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Furthermore, you will find here the shoulder strap. Okay? With this shoulder strap, you can mount it here to the micro lock through these two connections. Okay, to provide better handling to the micro lock. Yes.
Sir, how long it, when we charge fully, how long, 10 hours?
Yeah, yeah. 8 to 10 hours continuous work. Yeah, it can be used up to 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours continuous work. Yes, this is very useful benefit. You have the here the sensor with the magnet. It's very important when the technician is holding it on site. If he's using a ladder or going in a remote area, of course he will not be able. Yeah. Yes.
Do we need this connection with the laptop
For the lab use, no, you need. For the lab use.
For the, I'm talking about the remote field.
For remote field, here you have, you mean to say? Yeah,
Common general question
yeah.
for this use.
Yes, this is on all the sites here, on the industrial sites, they like this to put the, yes. Yeah, because imagine that the condition monitoring inspector is going every day, every morning from 8 o'clock, holding the micro log and going around the site and returning back to the office at the end of the day. So he has this sensor always connected, at least one sensor. So how he will carry it? He will put it on the equipment. At the time, transit time between the machines, he needs. Yeah.
Right, I got one
لا ما يشيلوش.
should be there, right?
هو بيشبكوا هنا ودي متعلق على كتفه خلاص عشان ما يلخموش هيحطوا فيه.
English.
Yeah, just rather than holding it in his hand, just to fix it in the in this metal part with the magnet to be on his shoulder. Yeah, and he can use both hands. Yeah, it's safety again. Welcome. So this is all the contents of the box. Yeah, wait.
That is why I'm asking you.
Yeah. Here. Yeah, thread. But first, you need, this should be mounted properly, the magnet.
Okay, with the magnet.
Yeah. No, I mean the magnet itself was loose. Here. Here.
Yeah.
See, here is the,
The slot.
yeah, the slot to the groove, mount. After mount, secure it with the nut.
Now I got it.
Yeah. Of course, here inside the lab, everything is clean, everything is steady, but normally all this secure mounting designed to be used in very tough conditions on site. Furthermore, the microlog itself, you see it's very rugged. Yes, yes. Here the microlog itself is very rough for the, that can be it's very rough, that can be dropped without any problem. Yeah. You see the design, it's full surrounded by the rubber. It's 1.2 meter drop tested. If it's dropped from 1.2 meters, it will again work without any problem. It's okay. Heavy duty. Heavy duty. Okay. Now, the software is installed. After the installation of the software, we need to launch the analyst configuration tool. Okay, in the analyst configuration tool, this is actually to configure the database. At the beginning, there is no database is connected, nothing is there. So we start the installation with a demo database. The demo database is located in the DVD in the folder DBINST, which is database installation. Inside the database installation folder, you will find 11G or SQL folder. In SQL folder, you will find two files named SQL server, SKF user, SQF server database file. These two files you will copy and put it in the C drive, program files, SQL server, MS SQL server, MS SQL 10 SQL Express, MS SQL data. Okay? Then from Skf configuration tool, first manage a connection. Here we will add a new connection. The connection title will be Skf SQL. The database name will be computer name / SQL Express. Here we will obtain the computer name from here. Here we will copy the computer name. The database connect name is the computer name / SQL Express. And the database name is SKF user. Here we will select whether it's SQL server or Oracle server. Then we will save. Here it will request the username and the password. At the default, the username is SKF user1. The user password is CM. Yeah. So we'll close now. This is the database. Okay, failed to connect. Okay. Here we will mount the database. we will go to the same location where we have added our database. The same folder Microsoft SQL Server here, and in the data server we will select skf user.mdf. Here we will add the SA password, which is the admin password of the SQL server, which was skf small letters. We'll click OK. Okay. This is actually what I was telling you. If I left the installation, some of these problems might happen. So here, well, I have to open it here. Okay. Okay. Okay, now there is a conflict between the Arabic script and the Arabic months, the Arabic scripts and the Arabic date format, and the Latin format used in our application. So see here, the error message is our SQL Latin General CPI CIAS and Arabic CIAS, which have been used in the date and time format. So we need to change this and upgrade. So we will go to a practical session to change and adjust the windows.